Prescott gonna carry. And reach, flip, sets up first and goal at the 1.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy. Welcome. In case you are new here, I do invite you to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. By the title, you guys know what kind of video I'm going to be doing, so I just wanted to do a very quick disclaimer and just say that I'm not into football myself, but my boyfriend is a Dallas Cowboys fan, and I was actually pretty excited that I thought this was going to be the last game of the Dallas Cowboys, but they won today, so that's why I'm sitting here and I'm about to film this video, because I did mention it on my Instagram that if they won, I was going to be doing a Cowboys makeup inspired look. And the reason that I was kind of excited that I thought it was going to be their last game, my boyfriend tends to leave with his friends to go watch his games, and whenever I say that I'm gonna go out with the girls, he tends to like have a little mantrum. So I was like just looking forward to no more arguments between us. So I know that's pretty childish, but anywho, if you are a Dallas Cowboys fan, or if you just want to see how I came about the look, then just go ahead and keep on watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
To create this look, I'm going to be using the Bretman Rock and ColourPop palette, and this is the wet palette. For concealer, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution concealer. I just realized I was using my older one. I have a new one. This is a lot lighter actually. And the reason that I'm going in with my concealer first, by the way, I'm going to be using this Moda Pro BMX 250 chisel brush. Since I'm going to be playing with color here, I want to make sure that I apply the concealer first and then apply powder over this. So in case I do have some fallout, I can just go ahead and dust off the eyeshadow that falls onto the powder. And with this concealer, it does tend to crease. So it's really important that as soon as you're done blending this out, that you set it very quickly, or else it will set into your crease lines. I know I'm looking very light here, but I'm going to be contouring after I apply my makeup. I'm going to take this Flower Setting Powder by Beauty Bakery, and this is in the translucent shade. I'm just setting that with a beauty sponge right underneath there. And make sure that you do apply a good amount. And here I'm just packing it into my smile lines, because I have pretty deep smile lines and I just don't want it to crease later on. Hi! As always, I'm going to be using the Carroty Primer on my eyes here. Oh shit. I did have concealer on already, so it's all good. I always mention this to you guys whenever I'm applying the base on my eye. I like to tap it until I can feel it like a little bit tacky, because that's how the eyeshadow is just going to stick on. I'm going to take the blue eyeshadow here. This one is called I'm Chillin'. This is the matte shade from the palette. With that color, I'm going to be using the Luxie 121 brush. This has become one of my favorites. It's a blending brush, but it's a really mini one. First, I'm packing the color on. That's why it might look a little bit patchy until I blend it. I don't know what it is about football, I just cannot get into it, and I've given it a try several times. How many of you girls are actually into football? I'm pretty sure there's a good amount, because a lot of my friends are actually, I don't know if they're into it or they're just like saying that to kind of be like a rival with their spouse. I just don't see it like me and my girlfriend hanging out, oh let's watch a football game. No, it's always like whenever their boyfriends are there, you know? That's just how I think about it. Like if we were to say, hey, let's all get together and watch The Bachelor, like that's my kind of party. See some fine ass abs and suits. Oh, I think about the football players, they might look nice in their football outfit or whatever, but I just think about how they would smell. Like, have you ever been near a football player? Like, ugh, disgusting. I'm really big on like BO. Now that I have the eyeshadow packed in, I'm gonna just blend within the crease here first and then go ahead. Try to just stay right at the crease, like that there. This palette didn't have a really dark matte blue, so I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this dark blue here. I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush and I'm going to dip into that blue color and apply it directly at the crease. I want to intensify that blue as much as possible, so I'm just packing it on using a Sigma E55 brush. Staying focused in this inner area here. Back with the fluffy brush, blending that out. I like to use the Green Clean by Pharmacy Beauty, and this is a makeup remover. I apply some of the balm on a Q-tip, and I just wipe away the eyeshadow from my lid. I just want to create a very clean cut crease. Quite a bit high just so that it connects with the silver one and it cuts off both of the eyeshadows. I'm going to clean this up here so that it looks neater, and then I'm going to bring some eyeshadow down here. If I had a white liner for my waterline, I would apply it, but I don't, and I do have a gold one. I just don't want to do like silver and gold. I just don't think that goes, and then gold's not a part of the Dallas Cowboys, so I'm going to take a black liner. This one here is by Ruby Kiss Cosmetics. And as you can see, this one appears really dark, really black, and it just glides on smoothly. Taking the darkest blue, I'm going to apply that right underneath the waterline. Hopefully that this color here, this one is called Laugh Out Loud, I'm Crying. I'm going to use that underneath to blend out that dark eyeshadow. And I feel like this will kind of bring a little bit of a pop of color. Not really, but it's just a different kind of blue from the ones that I used on my eye. And very quickly off camera, I'm going to go ahead and do this other eye, apply some mascara, some eyelashes, and dust off this powder, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and take this Luminous Cosmetics Cut to Medium to Deep Contour Palette. I'm going to dip into this one here. It's called Mocha. Just want to warm up the face as much as possible. Because with the powder, I feel like it really did brighten up my face quite a bit. I'm going to take this color Latte and then just lightly warming up the nose. And then dipping into the color Caramel. I'm going to apply this to the outer edges just to blend that out. For blush, I'm going to take the Sigma Corte Rosa blush, and it looks like this here. Since I did just apply a bunch of face powder, I really want to freshen up my face just so that it feels a little bit more hydrated. I'm going to take the Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist, and this is by Tarte Cosmetics. And now for highlighter, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Rainbow Highlighter, and this is in the color Bronze Over the Rainbow. Focusing on the cheekbone, you can feel it for it like right here. So that's where I'm going to apply the highlight. I was thinking of doing a full face using all of Wet n Wild makeup. I think I'm going to be doing that here very soon because I feel like their products are really good. Like this highlighter, I can compare it to some high-end highlighters, and this works just as good. I'm going to take this Pop Beauty liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Marvelous Mauve. And this color has been one of my favorites lately. I've been using it almost every day. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to take the same highlighter that I used on my cheekbone here, and I'm just going to apply it to the inner water duct. I really want to apply some gloss, and of course I've been using this so much. You guys have seen it in like my last few videos. This is the Tarte Lip Paint, and this is in the color Insta Famous, which we received in last month's BOXYCHARM box. Okay guys, so that's the final look. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. By giving my video a thumbs up, it does help my video get seen by other people. I really appreciate your guys' support. And if you guys want me to do maybe your guys' team, let me know. I can do a quick little makeup tutorial based off of whatever your favorite football team or basketball team. You guys let me know if you guys are into sports. I'm not. I mean, I can sit down and watch like basketball, but I'm totally not into football. I wanted to mention to you guys that I want to do a Q&A here on my channel just so that you guys can get to know me. I do have a lot of new subscribers to my channel, so I want to be able to get to know you guys and you guys get to know me. So if you guys have any questions for me, feel free to comment them down below and I'll answer them in my next videos. So be sure to check out my latest videos, which are going to be right over here. And also there's a little circle with my picture in it. If you click on the circle, it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!